Washing my face is the first steps in my skincare routine, but in winter after washing my face becomes super dry. But recently I get my hands on Mamaearth Honey Malai face wash with goodness of honey and malai. Honey helps in purifying the skin, malai helps in smoothing it. It gently cleans off all the dirt without making my skin dry. In fact, all the goodness of honey and malai make my skin smooth, glowy and beautiful. The creamy texture develops into light foam that gently cleans the skin. I will leave the link in the description box. You can get this product from Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa and Purple. You can get the product from Mamaearth website and app. You can also buy this product from your nearest Mamaearth store. You can use my code DuskyGirl2023 to get 20% discount on Mamaearth website and app. Mamaearth is a plastic positive brand, which means they recycle more plastic than they produce. Mamaearth has a initiative where they gonna plant a new tree with every order. All Mamaearth products are free from chemical and all natural. I will leave all the link in the description. Don't forget to check out Mamaearth.